Hisense Portable AC Quick Fixes for Common Problems. Quick fixes can help solve common problems with your Hisense portable air conditioner fast. These simple steps often save time and avoid the need for professional help. Follow these easy tips to keep your unit working well. Resetting the unit. Turn off the air conditioner and unplug it from the power source. Wait for about 5 minutes to let the internal systems reset. Plug the unit back in and turn it on. This often clears minor errors and restores normal function. Clearing blocked vents. Check both the air intake and exhaust vents for dust or debris. Use a soft brush or vacuum to clean any dirt blocking airflow. Clear vents improve cooling and prevent the unit from overheating or shutting down. Fixing remote control issues. Replace the batteries with new ones. Make sure the remote sensor on the unit is clean and not blocked. Point the remote directly at the sensor and press buttons slowly to check if it responds. Addressing overheating. Ensure the unit has enough space around it for air circulation. Avoid placing it near heat sources or direct sunlight. Clean the filters regularly to keep airflow smooth and prevent the air conditioner from overheating.